Hi, didn't see you there. Just reading my Poise magazine so I can learn all about being 30. Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. Today is my 30th birthday. It's so crazy because I feel like I've been in my 30s for several years now, but also yay, it's here. Today is my golden birthday. It's a birthday I've been looking forward to for many years now. I definitely thought it would look different because this week, we've had a sick baby and I got sick. And then yesterday, the dog got into chocolate, so we had to go to the emergency vet, and now he's fine. But it's just been a whirlwind of a week and quite the way to celebrate leaving my 20s. Now, I haven't been very consistent about posting on social media, especially since I've had a child. It's been a lot more difficult this past year to post content. And I'm hoping that this coming year, so 2026, is going to be a much better year for me to post videos. At the old house, I had a lot of really big projects, and I've decided that I'm not going to share the content that I had in my queue because it feels very weird to post about somebody else's house now, even though I worked really hard on that house for 2 years. I had 2 videos planned from the old house, but it just feels weird posting somebody else's house now, especially since so much time has gone by. And just again, my lack of time being able to edit content, it feels strange. So moving forward, we're going on with a clean slate and going to be posting content around this house, which is great because I have a lot of smaller projects that I want to do, which means that hopefully I'll be able to put out more videos this year. All of that said, the one thing I have been very consistent with year over year is posting my blooper videos because I really enjoy them. I don't have a ton of content because I didn't post a ton of content this year. However, I do have enough to make a video, and I thought what I included was pretty funny. This video every year really is just for me, and I enjoy making it and posting it. So I hope y'all enjoy watching it. And I do have some really good home projects planned in the near future. I'm working on a project currently that I hope to have the video out in a week or two, probably closer to 2 weeks. So that way I can finish that. And then it's going to be holiday time. So I'm going to post a video around decorating. I have some really fun Christmas winter projects in the works that I'm hoping will look really cute. And then I'm going to be working on probably a little bit of a bigger project in December/early January. So I have a lot of plans here, and I hope that I have a lot of content for year 30. And if you would like to see any of that content, please don't forget to subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, even though it's a little ridiculous to like this video. Comment if you want to. I love reading your comments. And that is enough yapping. Let's get into what you're here for, the bloopers. I'm gonna need more. I'm gonna need more pipe. I'm just looking to see if I should move out. No, I think this is more important, seeing what I'm actually doing than seeing the tree. Yeah. And I don't want to get up again. Okay, that's cool. I think that works. Whatever. It's Christmas time in November. But you can definitely use some sort of PVC adhesive. They're all falling. But you can definitely use some sort of PVC adhesive. Are we done? My brain hurts. What am I doing? You said, okay, you said to hold it like this.
Fold it like this, cut it
Pinch
in half.
it.
Fold it in half.
Yep.
And put your ends together.
Uh-huh.
You can either cut down like this or go up. Whichever's easier for you. Easier to go up. You ready?
Yeah.
And then it opens up like that.
I inverted it.
You get it back. You gotta go the opposite way.
I don't even know what I did.
You went down instead of up. Fold your ribbon in half.
Okay.
Okay. Now, hold it like this. Hold it to the side like this.
Okay. My ends are down.
Take your scissors and do like this. Like this.
brain can't compute.
What? Look.
I
Okay,
can't
see, I
do
did it deeper. You see it?
Yeah, but I can't comprehend what you're doing.
Well, let me show you. Fold it in half and hold it like this in front of you.
Okay.
Take your scissors
Yes.
and angle it like, you see my fingers pointing at each other?
I
You see these fingers pointing at each
do.
other?
Hold on. Okay, so I have my bow turned because I'm right-handed. So okay, so my fingers are pointed.
Right-handed too.
So I know, but it's inverted in the phone. Anyway, okay, my fingers are now pointing at each other. My bow is facing that way.
Okay, good. Now, hold your ribbon together.
Yes.
Okay. Now I'm gonna cut the same way my finger is going.
Okay.
Without cutting my finger, you see.
Yeah.
Here I go. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, I did it.
Yes, you did it.
that was unnecessarily hard for my brain.
Oh my gosh.
Hold on, let's see if I can do this. My dumb ass is gonna cut it the wrong way again. Okay, hold on. Okay, so I got him in. My fingers are going.
Okay.
My fingers are gonna touch.
Get a piece of paper and practice so you don't waste all your ribbon.
No, I did it.
Very good. That
It's-
looks fantastic.
It's the fingers touching that really did it.
I guess.
That helped tremendously.
Okay.
I hope I have enough ribbon for this. You? Oh, I'll do 2. And then my excess. And then a little cha-cha. Schwa. You know? Yes. I think you know exactly what I mean. But it's so flimsy. I really thought that it said that it had the little... I'm still so stuffy. Ugh. I don't know. Maybe I'm just not good with ribbon because this right here is... Oh my god. Oh, I thought that was a mouse. I don't even know what I saw. I think it was just the garland moving. Oh dear Lord, please tell me that wasn't a mouse. I don't even know what I was saying anymore. I hope there's not a mouse on our sofa. I should have shaken the garland. Shaken? Shook? Should have shook out the garland before I put it on the sofa. Okay, well that was fun. Anyway, what was I saying? I was talking about this ribbon. My camera's gonna end up dying before I get the freaking paint open. Ow! Oh, that was my teeth. Don't do that, people. Don't do that. 10 out of 10 would not recommend doing that. Oh my god, there's a perforated section. You fool. You absolute buffoon. Almost chipped like 4 teeth. And there's a perforated section. I'm looking real pale. I've never... Oh no, the one I glued! Really? It would be that. It would be that one. Alright, I guess I am using Santa. And, my poor snowflake be damned. That is so sad. Chewy baby. You were so close to laying in your bed. Every time I film, he's gotta come tap around. What are you doing, Bubba? Alright, bye. However, my husband is walking downstairs really loudly while I'm trying to explain my findings. I'm trying to record and you're like, blah, 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 blah.
Just walking.
So this is actually not plaster. This is, what is wallpaper. Thanks. You disrupted my train of thought with your loud ass shoes.
What word was that?
Wallpaper.
Disrupted?
Disrupted. Ugh. So you interrupt me and you're rude. Bruh.
Can I help you?
Aren't you the quiet one in the family? So, I'm joking. Oh, still recording. Silly me. Wow, she put the dryer on before recording. Here you go. I got the sillies today. Silly Goose Energy. SGE. Baby. Chew. I think I got my silly gooses out. I don't know that I did though. Train. Baby monitor. Dryer. Dryer's my fault. But I wasn't going down there again. Train I can. Chewy's so sweet in his little sunspot. Oh my god. I thought that piece of kibble was a mouse. He sees the laser on the floor. He's trying to get it. Hey, what do you see? That's Mom's tripod. Her camera's up there. Yeah. That's how Mom ends up on the TV sometimes. This is the footage. Thank you guys so much for watching. Ow, that hurt. I was expecting the soft part of the cow. If one could just say the words that are in the brain, you know, I think that was fine. My brain can't word. Oh yeah. Some pale legs. Lord D. Okay, let me just twist this way so you don't see as pale. That's better. Snaps! Hey! What are you doing in here? Deaf dog. Hello. Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm gonna try to open cans with sticks. And I'm gonna be unsuccessful. Alright. I'm gonna have to go get, you know what I mean? Okay. Today, I'm gonna open this can with, yeah, like so. Okay. Anyway. I really should figure out the name of that song. It keeps getting stuck in my head and I can't think of the name of it. It's not appropriate anyway. Anyway. Ah! Okay. Cool. Make sure my microphone is recording audio. Recording audio. Am I recording audio? I should be recording audio. Okay. Should I just test this to see if I'm recording audio? Probably so. I'm not seeing any sort of indicator that I am recording audio. I love being able to have like natural air. Natural air, is that correct? I love having Why is none of my stuff connecting? None of my stuff connecting. None of my stuff connecting. Do a little clickaroo. Clickaroony. La 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 la. La 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 la. I really just need to see if I'm recording audio. Can I move my mouse now is the question. And why can I not is question number 2. My light. All right, let's discuss these templates. Is there a baby fingerprint in my camera? There's a baby fingerprint in my camera. And I don't think I can get rid of it. Ew. Oh yeah, he really went for it. Typically, whenever I make templates, I'll print them out. Templates. Why can't I say templates? Why does it come out sinusy? Typically, whenever I make a template, I can't say it. Template. That's good enough for me. I don't know what I'm saying anymore. I don't know. Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. Hi friends, welcome back. I'm Chelsea. You know that. I know that. I'm just a lady with a bulldog, a camera, and too many opinions. And that is the intro for Cece Suarez's videos. My name is not Chelsea. Excuse me, pardon me. Around your arm. Bum, 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 bum. Gotta thicken this up because it's flimsy. This is ridiculous, isn't it? It is. Oh, what a cheese ball. The dings are calling. Brat. I don't know how to mute that. Wait, if I mute that, will I mute me? I hope not. Okay, I'm not gonna risk it. I'm not gonna risk it. What was I even saying? Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have a great day and happy Halloween tomorrow, and I'll see you in an actual DIY video really soon. Bye guys.